Stop it. Don't record me. Stop it, seriously. So, okay, I'm not liking these buttons. How many buttons are there? Let's see how it looks like in the vest.
Come here.
Wrong way. Oh, never mind. Isn't that the wrong way? Whoa, that's hella big.
hella big.
Oh, last time it like never fits me and it makes me sad. You think the small is gonna fit me? She's gonna put me in a small. Oh.
What? Try medium.
I know, right? Just like leave one on. Not even. Not even one. You know, you fit. Watch, it still won't close, and it's a medium. It still won't close on me. It's because I have big boobs. Hey, I can put it on the face.
All of that in the large.
What?
Oh, good.
It does.
Turn around.
But it doesn't
Turn around.
close. What? You said to turn around. What are you doing?